dear students, how are you? I hope all are new. Welcome back to another class. Today let me start GK Unit 2, Language and Literature. Chapter number 7, Cartoon Characters and Their Creators. There are number of cartoon characters on television and in books. So write the names of creators of these cartoon characters using the help box. So let me start. Number 1, Spider-Man, Stanley and Steve. Stanley and Steve. Number 2, Superman, Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster. Third one is Batman. Number 4, Tom and Jerry. William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Next one is Donald Duck. ये है वॉल्ट डिज्नी. Next word, Mowgli, Rudyard Kipling. It is Shinchan. Number 7, Yoshito Uzui. Number 8, Doraemon, Fujiko Fuzio. Last one is Scooby-Doo, Joe Ruby and Ken Spears. Okay? So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8, Storybooks. Storybooks are very interesting. Storybooks are very interesting. Read the information about some famous stories and name them using the help box. So let me start. Number 1. The girl wore a red cloak when she went to meet her grandmother. तो ये है Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. Okay? Number 2, the girl let down her hair so that the prince could climb up the tower. Number 3, a young lad exchanged a crow with magic beans. Jack and the Beanstalk. Number 4, a young lad exchanged a cow with magic beans. ये है Hansel and Gretel. Number 5. He had a nose that grew every time he told a lie. Pinocchio. This one. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. Chapter number 9, homophones. So let me start. Homophones are the words which sound the same but are spelled differently. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Number 1. Minu bought this sari in a sale. Every nation wants peace. Rohit will be home in an hour. Can you give me an of a student who has passed the high school examination at the age of 10? Instance. The teacher gave less homework to dash the burden on the student. Homework to lesson. It is foolish to dash money on useless thing, waste. It is foolish to waste money. Amit took a dash to buy a car, loan. The camp dad slept under the tree. The cap seller. The teacher asks us to wear dash clothes plain. I waited for a dash day, but she did not call. I waited for a whole day. A man uses a dash to save a razor. You must know the right use of dash, comma. So students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 10. Chapter number 10, gender game. Write the correct gender names of the following using the helping box. The male of a duck, the male of a hen, cock. The female of a gander, goose. The female of a lion, lioness. The female of an ox, cow. The female of a horse, mare. The female fox is called vixen. The male sheep is called ram. The male of a peahen, peacock. The female of a buck, doe. Female of a dog, bitch. Female bear is called. Everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 11. Make new words by filling up the blank. Use letters from the top word I. Some letters may be used more than once. You can identify the words with the help of clues given. Okay, so let me start. I. An animal is called king of the jungle, lion. A book is made of this paper. Opposite of rare, common. The word which means don't make a noise. Silence. The meaning of word outer, external. A means of transport that flies in the sky. Aeroplane. A very tall building. Sky. Scrapper. This animal eventually turns into a butterfly. Caterpillar. The machine used for preserving food by cooling, refrigerator, R-E-F-R-I, refrigerator. The fishermen love it, but doctors hate. The fishermen love it, but doctors hate. Okay, these are the word complete. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Okay, so this chapter is completed. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 12. Idioms and phrases. Idioms and phrases are the expressions that have meanings that cannot be derived from the meanings of their individual elements. Given below are some important idioms and phrases. Match them with their meanings correctly. Apple pie order. In perfect order. To add fuel to the fire. To increase anger. Yes. Option N. At a low ebb. In a state of decline. To bury the hatchet. Number 4. To forget a quarrel. To break the ice, to break the silence. To burn the lamp at both ends. To waste time, money and energy. To burn the lamp at both ends. Waste time, money and energy useless. L. To cast a spell. Number 7. To attract or fascinate. To die in a harness. To die while working. By fits and starts. Irregularly. In black and white. In writing. Pros and cons. Argument for and against. To read between lines. 12. To read carefully. To toe the line. To follow another's opinions. To follow another's opinion. To tide over. To overcome. An uphill task. A difficult task. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 13. Our dictionary is the collection of words with their meanings in an alphabetical order. Which of the following words will appear first in an English dictionary? June or July? July. Wednesday or Thursday? Thursday. Winter or spring? Herring or hen? Hen. Phantom or Tintin? Phantom. Independence Day or Republic Day? Number 6. Independence Day. Diwali or Holi? Diwali. Television or telephone? Telephone. Father or mother? Father. Lunch or dinner? Dinner. Brother or sister? Brother. Mobile or computer? Computer. Shinchan or Doraemon? Doraemon. Summer or rainy? Rainy. Man or woman? Men. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 14. Palindromes. A palindrome is a word of Horace which reads the same format or backward, write the related palindrome in the blank using the help box. The time of the day when sun shines directly overhead. Some of you address your father by this word. Dad. The boat used by Eskimos. The boat used by Eskimos. Kayak. A piece of cloth tied under the child's chin to protect his or her clothes. Word used to address a woman. Madam. A machine used to look at aeroplanes. Radar. A joke or a funny story. Gads. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. Chapter number 15, Author's Gallery. Books are our best friend. We acquire knowledge by reading different books. Match the following books with their authors. Okay. So start. Mahatma Gandhi. God of Small Things. Arundhati Roy. Alice in Wonderland. Lewis Carroll. Discovery of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 1. God of Small Thing. C. Arundhati Roy. Alice in Wonderland. Lewis Carroll. Option F. Discovery of India. Option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Romeo and Juliet. 4. Answer is William Shakespeare. G. Train to Pakistan. Khushwant Singh. Option B. My Experiments with Truth. Mahatma Gandhi. 6A. Option A. Gulliver's Travel. 2 is left, no? Jonathan Swift. H. And The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Mark Twain. Option E. Okay? So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 16. Proverbial wisdom. Complete the following famous proverb by using help box. So, okay. A bird in her hands is better than two in the. A bird in hands is better than two in the. Don't put all your dash in one basket. Don't put all your eggs. Save dash and the money will save you. Save money and the money will save you. Don't cut down the dash that gives you shade. Don't tree. Don't cut down the tree. A dog is a man's best friend. The old dash forget that she once was a calf. The old cow. She once was a calf. An elephant does not get tired of carrying its trunk. Elephant here. A dash is known by the company he keeps. Dash was not built in a day. Rome. The dash caught in the net starts to think. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 17. Hindi words, English uses. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Many words of different languages have been absorbed in it. So, in the case with Hindi, many Hindi words have been anglicized and look like original English words. So, write the correct English meaning against each Hindi word given below using the help box. Okay. Let me start. Badmash. Rogu. Knocker. Servant. Mahat. Elephant driver. Dury. Dari. Okay. Cotton carpet. Bandh. Dam. Banduk. Rifle. Sipahi. Constable. Chutney. Sauce. And the last one, Gadi. Cart. So everyone, dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. People who made difference. Identify the names of following personalities with the help of clues given. He was an American inventor who invented the electric bulb. Thomas Alva Edison. Two, she was a famous nurse. She is known as the lady with the lamp because she used to check on every patient before going to bed. Florence Nightingale. Nightingale. He was an ancient Greek king of Macedonia who wanted to conquer the whole world. He was the 16th president of the United States. He successfully led his country through the Civil War and was instrumental in abolishing slavery. Abraham Lincoln. He is a former president of South Africa. He was sentenced to life imprisonment and released after 27 years. Nelson Mandela. He was a French soldier who said that God had asked him to save his homeland from the hands of the English. Joan of Arc. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter, all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.